The typical Disklavier is a real acoustic piano outfitted with electronic sensors for recording and electromechanical solenoids for playback. Sensors record the movements of the keys, hammers, and pedals during a performance, and the system saves the performance data as a standard MIDI file, SMF. On playback, the solenoids move the keys and pedals and thus reproduce the original performance. Modern Disklaviers typically include an array of electronic features, such as a built-in tone generator for playing back MIDI accompaniment tracks, speakers, MIDI connectivity that supports communication with computing devices and external MIDI instruments, additional ports for audio and synced I/O, and internet connectivity. Historically, a variety of devices have been used to control or operate the instrument, including buttons on a control box mounted on the piano, infrared handheld controllers, handheld Wi-Fi controllers, a Java application that runs on a personal computer, and apps that run on iOS-based portable devices. Yamaha Disklavier Pro S6 Grand Piano Disklaviers have been manufactured in the form of upright, baby grand, and grand piano styles, including a 9-foot concert grand. Reproducing systems have ranged from relatively simple, playback-only models to the Pro models which record performance data at resolutions that exceed the limits of normal MIDI data. From the late 1990s into the early 2000s, Yamaha also produced a Grand Touch series of Disklaviers that were digital pianos with a grand piano action. In addition to recording, the Grand Touch instruments were capable of playing back performances with moving keys, although the moving keys were not necessary for the electronic reproduction of sound.